Right now we're about to walk through one of the most unique and unexpected places in Buenos Aires, Chinatown, right here in the Belgrano neighborhood. What's crazy is this entire cultural pocket really only started to take shape about 40 years ago. So Chinatown, known locally as Barrio Chino, is located in Belgrano neighborhood on the north side of Buenos Aires. It's a small area, only about 5 blocks long, centered around streets of Arebinos and Juramento. You're going to see some things you won't see in other parts of BA. Different foods, drinks. Extremely different feel. Got different Asian snacks here. This joint. Dumpies, K-Dogs, they got her all here. Maybe you want some K-Toasties like this young lady here. We are some Korean street food. Teppanyaki. Okay, a little origin story. Here's how it all happened back in 1980s. Waves of immigrants, mainly from Taiwan and mainland China, began sailing around here in Belgrano. First, it wasn't anything like what you see today. It was basically a small community. Family gatherings, opening grocery stores, and selling hard-to-find Asian ingredients. Bao burger. Over time, this small setup grew into a full cultural hub with restaurants, supermarkets, and even one of the first Buddhist temples in the city, opened in 1988. Today is considered the heart of the Chinese community in Argentina, even though it's still pretty small compared to other Chinatowns in the world. What makes it neat is it's not just Chinese. You've got influences from Taiwan, Japan, Korea, and other Asian cultures that we've already seen in just a few blocks. As you'll notice, authentic Asian supermarkets, street food and dumplings, bubble tea, anime and manga shops, cultural temples, symbols, and also kitty cat cafes. Happen to be walking by one of those right now. Basically like stepping into a whole other world, Buenos Aires. Why people come here is the energy. You can see a lot of people out and about today, but at night, it's really going to pick up. Right, I have to come back and do a little walkthrough at night so y'all can see how busy it is. Come here for the food, the vibe, the shopping. Something you might not know or expect is Argentina actually has a rapidly growing Chinese community. Hundreds of thousands of Chinese descent across the country. So if you're coming to Buenos Aires, Chinatown might not be the first stop on your list, but you should definitely come here and visit. It's quick, it's different. It's one of the most unique and cultural pockets in the entire city. I mean, where else can you see this in Buenos Aires? You can't. Here, everybody, of course, getting their picture in front of the big Chinese gate. Doesn't it feel like you traveled to another world inside of Buenos Aires? I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that like button, share it, subscribe, and I'm going to let you go from here. Chinatown, Buenos Aires.